Today I have these stickers as a special request from another subscribers. There are actually 7 subscribers who asked me for Oliver stickers. They sent me messages on Facebook. Unfortunately, I had no time to make them available until today. These are custom pre-cut and ready to peel and stick stickers for Oliver. Now here's the thing, I am adding 2 sets. Why? Because I base on the ink used. I could only put 1 set of stickers, but I'd rather put the 2, you know, so in case you messed up one of these. So it does come with the 2 sides stickers with the number 11 GWR and the cab windows right there, front and back. I think some of those models, if I'm not mistaken, are always missing the cab windows, or the stickers are tear apart, you know, of the tear and wear. So anyways, these are available now on the description of this video for US buyers only. If you live out of US, again and again and again, please send me a message. Go to my YouTube page on the About info. Then you can find my email for business only, or you can contact me on Facebook. Send me a message. Facebook, it's good because you send me a private message, so nobody's gonna see all your info in there, or from my email. Don't leave a message on YouTube. I mean, on the comment section. Go to my About page, and from there you can find my email. So the next you see the YouTube video, part of the video where I did restore Oliver, so that you can see an sample of these stickers. Okay.